Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon maki rolls. Cook 2 cups sushi rice, then season with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt while it cools. Slice 200 g salmon into even strips and chill briefly. Set up a clean surface with nori, bamboo mat, and fillings nearby. Keep a small bowl of water to wet your fingers and prevent sticking as you assemble each roll carefully and confidently. When assembling, spread rice thinly and evenly across the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the far edge. Lay salmon and fillings in a single line for consistent bites and tighter rolls. Use the bamboo mat to lift and roll, applying gentle, even pressure so the roll stays compact. Wet the exposed nori border to seal and shape the roll, then transfer to a cutting board for slicing with a very sharp knife. Slice rows with a wet, sharp knife using smooth single strokes to avoid squashing the roll. Arrange salmon maki on a platter and add small bowls of soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for dipping and contrast. Garnish with sesame or thinly sliced scallions if desired and serve immediately for best texture. If you have leftovers, keep rice and salmon separate in the fridge and eat within a day for safety and freshness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.